Just divorced and setting up your own place? This video is for you. After my divorce, I realized my Amazon purchases weren't just things, they were steps toward healing. Here are the must-haves that helped me rebuild, find comfort, and create a space that truly feels like mine. The right lighting sets the tone. The Edishine mid-century modern. Bedroom table lamps bring warmth and a sense of adulthood back into your space. They're simple, refined, and give your bedroom the calm and sophistication you need as you rebuild. A nightstand isn't just a piece of furniture, it's a foundation for structure and stability. The Walker Edison mid-century modern nightstand is about taking control, assembling something with your own hands and putting things in their place. It's a symbolic and practical addition to your new space. Moving into the living room, Maxax glass table lamps bring a sense of refinement. They make the room feel complete, offering a welcoming glow. When your home feels put together, you start to feel put together too. Traveling solo is now part of life, and the TUMI Voyageur Ledger carry-on is an investment in freedom and self-reliance. It's about embracing the ability to go where you want, when you want, and never worrying about your luggage failing you along the way. A collapsible wagon might seem like a simple tool, but the Hikenture collapsible wagon is a lifesaver. Moving your own things, handling your kids' belongings, or just hauling groceries, it makes all of that easier. Life is about working smarter, not harder. Cooking for yourself should be an act of self-care, not a burden. The Caraway Nonstick ceramic cookware set elevates that experience. High quality, easy to clean, and designed to make you feel like you've got it together, even if you're just making pasta for one. For effortless, nourishing meals, the Crock-Pot 8-quart slow cooker is key. When time and energy are low, this makes cooking a simple, almost meditative process. A good meal heals the soul, and this makes it easy. Even something as basic as a trash can contribute to a sense of order. The Brabantia NewIcon trash can is sleek and well-designed. It's about surrounding yourself with things that function well and look good. Because your space should be as put together as you are becoming. Reconnecting with your inner self means embracing timeless wisdom. The Ernest Hemingway boxed set is more than just books. It's a reminder of resilience, adventure, and masculinity. Reading these works helps sharpen your mindset for this next chapter. Your home should sound as good as it looks. The JBL Bar 2.1 Soundbar with Wireless Subwoofer transforms your space into a place where you can fully enjoy music, movies, and even the quiet moments. It's an instant upgrade to your daily life. Your bed is your sanctuary now. The Chixpace King Comforter set is comfortable, high quality, and most importantly, yours. No compromises, just your taste, your style, and your comfort. Taking care of yourself means investing in the details, and the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9500 is a game changer. Good hygiene builds confidence, and confidence builds momentum in all areas of life. Your mind needs nourishment too. The Complete Paintings of Vincent van Gogh is not just a book. It's a reminder of creativity, passion, and the ability to reinvent oneself. Rebuilding means regaining energy, and the GNC Mega Men Healthy Testosterone Vitapak is designed to help. This is about feeling strong, energized, and ready to take on life again, mentally and physically. Finally, once your space is set up, once your sound system is installed, once you've found some peace, there's no better way to celebrate than with a classic. Lawrence of Arabia is a cinematic masterpiece about a man who finds himself in the desert. Sound familiar? And there you have it. This is more than just a list of things. It's a roadmap to rebuilding, refining, and reclaiming your life. Setting up a home isn't about filling it with stuff. It's about creating an environment that supports who you are and who you're becoming. These are the things that helped me, and I hope they help you too. Here's to new beginnings and making your home truly yours. Thanks for watching, and check the description for links to each featured product.